And you see, wow, see that straight away. This is what it's all about, right? Look at that. I mean, it just did it. Bang. It's not getting this final part because it's it's struggling with whatever the format is, right? It didn't convert it. So, wow, it's like, wow, it just did it. Bang. That is nuts. Anyway, I just asked, do I have the Figma MCP connected? Yes, we do. So now I know this from muscle memory, right? So I'm in Enter 404. I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to do this one, frame 55. Okay. So here you go to copy link to selection. Let's say, here is the new landing page design. Just paste that in. So okay. So I'm not going to get too much into detail. I'm just going to hit enter, right? See what happens. And sometimes when you are building stuff, what I tend to do is I end up going into Claude, right? And let's just run. And what I end up doing sometimes is I'll be multitasking. Okay. And this might be why people get so tired. So you can see here, let me just increase this back because you can see it's got the frame, right? Which is pretty cool. And for me, this is like the really fastest way to get your design. Okay. This one, I actually did this with prompts and that it works, but it's a lot of back and forth. This tool, Agentation by, I can forget Benji. I think it's Benji Taylor, right? So is this correct actually? Yes. Yeah. So you'd annotate, right? You'd say what you want to change and then it will copy back into whichever LLM you want, and then it will apply the changes. So this is also pretty neat, right? But for this demo, I'm just going to do Figma MCP. And it's a pretty simple page. Okay, so you can see it's just 2 columns. The only thing is for all the grids out there, right? So I've got the grid on this 3-column grid. You can see there, lines up nicely. Let's see if you'll actually pick that up. If you'll actually say, hey, it is actually a 3-column grid thing. Or will it actually, is it going to make it fluid? I have no idea, right? And then maybe I should also link this. Probably will do when I get confused about how does it look on mobile. So yeah, as a solo designer, I'd love to know what your current situation is. Please introduce yourself in the comments. Who you are, what is your current status? Are you building products? Are you using AI a lot? Can improve the leading and everything else, right? So the idea behind this is that it's going to cycle through. This is just insane. Presentation system, journal. Okay. Now, let's see what happens when it collapsed it. Very nice. And that's good enough for now, right? I'm not going to go crazy perfect on everything, but it actually collapsed the thing. I'm not going to go deep into, let's just see what I actually ended up doing. So, it's got flex column, it made it into what? Okay, so it's got a min width. Anyway, yeah, I'm not going to get crazy into the code right now. Okay, it works, right? And okay, so can we hide the journal section for now? Okay, so I'm meant to keep all. Okay, so this is actually pretty good, right? This video is already coming up to 20 minutes. We don't go too long, but hopefully you're finding value something, bro. Yeah, done. Done. It's hidden on the landing page. Say keep, right? Okay. Go to presentation. Man, it's still got the old design, see? But this is the thing as a designer. It's like you can make things perfect, which is one of my kryptonites, right? But I'm just in the mindset I need to get this up, and then we go back. Okay, so for the footer, which has a large SVG, where would you learn? Actually, let's just remove it for now, right? We don't want to do that part. As for the large footer graphic, can you remove for that? It's a shame it doesn't update straight away. Okay. So Mindpath and Larai, we need to actually, let's see if the links are correct. So yeah, that's correct. Presentation is correct. Mindpath and Larai, okay. Key. So for Mindpath and Larai, they need another link. And can you put the description? No, even when I'm spelling stuff wrong, I'm just gonna keep going to here. See that? You got my goal. Got that. Oops. This you can't spell before. You got Larai.app. Okay. Let's see if it actually does that. Fetch. I'm asking like spamming your ideas and your posts. You know, that's another thing, right? It's like the art of selling without selling. Okay. So look, it did it, right? So that link is there, that link is there. I'm not going to get too crazy into everything else. And then let's push it. Okay, so can you do a build to check for errors? Sometimes recipe, yeah, so there's no dark mode in there, dark light, and that's fine. So now this is where I'm asking it to check for errors, right? And it says it's all good, ready to deploy. Okay, so please commit. Please git commit, right? And then rebuild homepage, blah, 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 your branch is, okay, so please, cool. So yeah, again, Git is like, it's just an amazing thing. So you can see it's pushed. Okay, so this is the point where I go to the Vercel, right? And you can see the analytics on my bar, very low, okay? And I only did these products, I think maybe a month ago. So my challenge is a fresh, 2 fresh products. How do I build it up from there? Right, that's the challenge I've got. But yeah, let's go to enter 404. Let's hopefully see that it did the deployment. So you can go here, you can see it's ready, right? And then we can just go and check it live. You see, bam, that is pretty sweet. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful, right? Please leave a like, subscribe. If there's anything on your mind or any particular ideas, content that you would like, just leave a comment or get in touch, and I'll see you soon. Bye.